How many are those invited and did not attend today's hearing?
Director General, please respond.
Your Honor, Mayor Benjamin Bangalong was invited, but he sent a regret letter. He says that he will testify in the House first.
Who else?
May we know how
Well, I
did he
think
explain
The note is this, Your Honor. He's anticipating that he will be called as resource person before the House of Representatives. He feels that his appearance before the Senate may preclude any actions that should be taken against all persons who are answerable. He does commit that he will make himself available for the Senate as soon as his appearance is dispensed with before the House of Representatives.
Mr. Chair, I
So,
think
the good mayor is expecting that he will be called to testify at the House of Representatives. But did he say that there was already an actual invitation?
He
Was
did,
there?
He did acknowledge receipt of the invitation, Your Honor.
No. Did he receive already the actual invitation from the House of Representatives, or he is expecting one?
We do
yet?
not have that information yet, sir, but
In his letter, what did he say? He was about to be
he is
invited?
anticipating.
He is anticipating. So
Yes,
there is
Your
none yet.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, I think the letter of Mayor Magalong is valid enough for him to be excused in today's hearing. Let's give him the benefit of the doubt. Maybe the leadership of the House of Representatives just might just invite him in the near future, Mr. Chair.
So what is the wisdom of the members? Because there is a subpoena. Was he?
I think
There is an invitation letter, and I think the invitation letter was received by him, and he declined to be present today because he is still anticipating that he will be invited by the House of Representatives. And the reason that he gave is that he might, or his presence here might preclude any action against those answerable. I do not know how to process that. What does that mean, Senator Raimi?
Mr. Chair, I heard the interview of Mayor Magalong. He said that he would want to bring the battle to the battleground. So yun yung kanyang na kaya pa gusto niya ay mauna siya sa House. Yun po ang naalala ko lang po, Mr.
But
Chair.
he's not the one to judge whether or not the action is in the House of Representatives or in the Blue Ribbon Committee at the Senate. I am not taking this against him, but it's up to the wisdom of the members. Palagay ko, hayaan na lang natin, hatulan na lang siya ng tao kung dapat nga siya nagpunta rito o ihintayin muna siya na siya'y imbitahin pa ng House of Representatives. I think we have to leave it at that.